Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a daily basis, documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come on, it's an incredible journey. We're just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you guys do that. All right, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. Do not take what I say in these videos as financial advice. Please, 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 I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Me, my golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that, especially in cryptos, all right? So please be careful, do your own research. All right, formalities are out of the way, guys. I had a crazy day today. Literally, the electricity in my house kept shorting out. I had to get an electrician there. It was an absolute nightmare. All this stuff to do with work. I do run a property development business as well as e-commerce, and obviously my YouTube channel, crypto investing, stock investing. It's absolutely crazy. So I do apologize for the late video. Now, let's get straight into it. Now, yesterday I did mention that new trading signal, the buy and sell indicator on TradingView. It has been working very, very nicely, and I'll show you that in a second. But before we do that, let's go straight into Coinspot, because I just want to show you what's happening in the prices here in Australia. Yes, there is a referral link below for Coinspot. Please feel free to use that. You can get $10 in Bitcoin, but please do your own research. All these prices are in Australian dollars right now. So just to clarify, because I get a lot of comments saying, oh, these prices are old, they're not right. Yes, they are right. They're in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars. So I'm catering for everybody around the world. Let's have a look here. So you've got Bitcoin sitting at $55,000 today, which is nice, up 0.46%. You've got Ethereum at 3,700. Now, I'm considering adding Ethereum to my portfolio. I don't hold it. The only reason why I did hold it is obviously to trade other cryptocurrencies on the ERC20 network, the gas fees. That's pretty much the only reason why I had Ethereum. However, I think Ethereum could be a major player, and the only reason why I say that is because I know for a fact that obviously Ethereum is partnering, or has got some significant backers from JP Morgan, the big banks, and it is a favorite of the SEC. Just putting it out there. Anyway, let's have a look here. You've got XRP sitting at $1.08. Now, again, I've got an interesting video from David SCHWARTZ on XRP, and I'm so bullish on XRP. It is going to change the face of the planet, financial world, the whole world. Literally, this is a mega project, guys, and it's incredibly undervalued right now. And at $1.08, a lot of people will be trying to buy fractions of XRP in the future. Just putting it out there. Anyway, let's have a look here. My other favorites are obviously Cardano, $1.13. Solana's $116. AVAX, I'm not holding that at the moment. $98. Polkadot is one that I'm definitely considering adding and staking. $25. You've got Doge at 16 cents. I'm still holding my Doge. Matic as well as another one, guys, up 0.18% to $1.94. You've got Kronos, 54 cents. I'm not holding any Crow. Cosmos at $38. You've got Near Protocol sitting at $14 right now. Link is at $19. Tron, I am holding 8 cents. FTT is at 58. Algorand is $1 right now. Good buying opportunity, up 2.13%. Stellar XLM is at 25 cents now. Again, I'm very bullish on Stellar and XLM because, again, it's a banking coin, guys, and it doesn't have all the issues with the regulatory, SEC going after it. But again, founder from Ripple, Jed McCaleb, straight up, cool project. Mana, $3.22. Hedera's at 28 cents. I'm still bullish on Hedera as well. Let's keep scrolling ahead. Waves as well as 15.6% up today, guys, $42. Now, I've got some interesting stuff about that in these indicators on TradingView, which I am trading Waves right now through Coinspot. So we'll get into that in a second. We've got FTM at $1.64. VeChain, 6 cents. Incredible buying opportunity. Axie Infinity's at $66 right now. A good entry point. If you're looking to stake it, earn 78% APY, which is absolutely ridiculous. That's incredible. Really good opportunity to earn some income, passive income. What else we got here, guys? You've got the Graph up 16.85% today as well, 60 cents. Zcash 202. I am seeing some interesting stuff about Zcash, so I will look into Zcash as well. IOTA, a banking coin, $1 right now, good entry point. Arve's up 5.61% to $175. Gala at 30 cents. Harmony One at 17 cents. I am holding that. That is going to be a big Web3. Quant, $157. You've got Engine as well, $1.87. This one's going to be big with the metaverse. Keeps going down here. You've got Rose at 29 cents. And again, XDC sitting at 7 cents. This will fly. Once XRP Ripple gets clarity with the SEC and this case is done, all the banking coins, literally all cryptos are going to start flying. XRP should already be up at the very, very top, you know, well and truly behind Bitcoin. Now, let's go straight into the news today because there's obviously a lot happening here. You've got Ripple announces NFT incubation program. They just announced it today, which is really interesting. So as the SEC lawsuit took a significant turn, Ripple sets out to launch the world's first NFT incubation program. The fact that Ripple NFT Creator Fund is designed as a long-term project to develop Ripple's own NFT ecosystem proves that Ripple does not expect to lose the lawsuit. Straight up. I mean, that's incredible as well. Me personally, I'm not very big on NFTs. I just like to, you know, invest in the cryptocurrencies themselves, but NFTs are going to be a big part of the future with music, artists. You know, you can sell houses with NFTs literally on the blockchain. That's incredible, and earn 10% from royalties if whatever that property on sells in the future as well. So a lot of applications for NFTs in the future, and I think it's just very early stages. So we'll consider looking into NFTs a lot more for sure. I forgot crypto bubbles today. Obviously, Waves is pumping up 15%. IOTX, Elron here, I believe it is, Basic Attention Token, the Graph, CBX, Link, FTM, Toncoin, ANC's Anchor Protocol. No, I'm not invested in Anchor Protocol. Let's keep scrolling on here, guys. You've got 231 million XRP wired by FTX, Binance, KUCOIN as XRP is trending. Could this be a serious sign that there could be a relisting on these exchanges, especially in the United States? I don't know, but that is a lot of XRP. It's incredible, such large volumes right here. And yes, Whale Alert picked up 100 million XRP valued at 77 million USD, transferred from unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. There's a lot of XRP moving around right now. So again, I think the whales are starting to either, you know, accumulate more and transfer to exchanges. Who knows? Pending a relisting of XRP on major exchanges. Now, interesting as well is Waves cryptocurrency, which is really interesting because this has been absolutely pumping. And again, I've been trading this on 3 and it's been doing quite well. I have paired that up with USD Tether. Now with Waves, it's absolutely pumping today. So I'm going to just have a look here. This is from Economic Times. This is just basically giving you an update why Waves could be absolutely pumping right now. So Waves has ranked 50 on the CoinMarketCap.com. It is trending at the moment and doing great. And yes, it is. Why? 2 possible reasons. First is because of the Ukraine-Russia conflict, which is interesting. The founder of Waves, Alexander Ivanov, forgive me for pronouncing his name wrong, a Ukrainian scientist. Second, after announcing plans to develop a blockchain agnostic metaverse and creating new cooperation with Allbridge to facilitate cross-chain transfers, the price of Waves increased by more than 100%. Waves is a multi-purpose blockchain platform that may be used for a variety of applications, including decentralized apps and smart contracts, among others. With the help of one of the cryptocurrencies industry's earliest initial coin offerings, ICO, Waves founded in June 2016. So it's a very early project, guys. With the goal of improving the first blockchain platforms by enhancing speed and utility whilst also improving usability and user friendliness. The platform has worked hard to improve its initial design and access. Waves native token, Waves, which has an unlimited supply and is utilized for regular payments such as block rewards and transaction fees. One Waves is traded on the market for just over $18 US. So it's very interesting, guys. And I am trading that using the indicators that I've shown. Now, you've got an interesting one here. Apple co-founder reveals huge Bitcoin price prediction. I mean, look at this price prediction right here. Now, legendary Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak has said he expects Bitcoin price to eventually hit $100,000 USD, calling it the interest in crypto so high. Again, I believe him. I think it will be well and truly over $100,000 US very soon. But I mean, a lot of people are impatient with crypto. They want money now. I mean, don't we all? But I mean, you've got to be patient with this stuff. And I was watching a video on I'm not sure. I think it was on TikTok, believe it or not. There's some interesting stuff on there. Just be careful. But there was a video, going back 10 years ago with all the top altcoins and cryptos. Bitcoin was at like, a few $100s. You had Ethereum in you like $10s to $20. Dogecoin was in like just 4 or 5 zeros. XRP, the same thing. Cardano, the same thing. In 10 years, they've gone up to the cents and to the dollars, and Bitcoin's gone up obviously crazy. Just to put things in perspective here right now. So you need to just wait it out, have some patience. Now, if we go to some other interesting stuff here, Biden signs massive spending bill into law that just dedicates billions of dollars to Ukraine aid, and that's incredible as well. I mean, I'm all for that. But again, I don't know what the implications this is going to have on inflation. So you've got to be very careful with this stuff here. And this is just just the article here on the XRP ledger. And I just wanted to bring up obviously this point here. September 24, 2020, the XRPL Foundation is an independent non-profit entity with a mission to accelerate the development and adoption of the decentralized XRP ledger. Decentralized. It is not centralized, guys. It's decentralized. The foundation received an initial donation of over $6.5 million from Coil, Ripple, and GateHub, which is interesting, to fund the foundation's work in service of growing number of developers and the other community members building on the XRP ledger. So again, it is decentralized, guys. It is a currency. XRP is not a security. It is decentralized. Cryptometer.io, where the money is flowing in the last day. XMR, I don't know what that is. I will have, I think is it Monero? I'll have to double check. Let me know in the comments below. Bitcoin, actually that's just now changed. How's that? Luna is where the money's going. Ethereum, USDC, OGN, TRX, Tron, XMR, B2M. That's pretty much where it's going in the last day. If I go to the last hour, Ethereum. So the money's been going into Ethereum. Very interesting. Also, Elon Musk has revealed that he is holding Ethereum as well. Very interesting. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. I wonder what else he's holding. If you know, let me know in the comments below. Very interesting. Now, go to TradingView. Everyone's been asking me about this indicator right here. And I'm going to go to, sorry, give me 1 second if I can bring that up. Indicators. Favorites. It is the chandelier exit right there. I can't really zoom in on my phone, but the chandelier exit there by Everget. That's what I'm using right now. And it's obviously, there's another indicator I'm using, which is the ZLSMA indicator as well. So these two indicators right now, and it's been very interesting. How do you set these up? If I go to my settings, inputs, the ATR period is at 1. The ATR multiplier is at 1.85. You've got to set these at that. Show buy and sell labels only, so make sure that is ticked. You can see it right there. The style, make sure you've got the buy label and the sell label, these two only selected. Leave these other two here down the bottom, that's fine. And obviously with this one here, guys, let me just open this. Inputs, so length 32, offset is 0. The chart and the style obviously is yellow. That's pretty much straightforward. Now, with this, it's been incredibly accurate. I mean, this was last night. And had you have bought this, now if I get my ruler out here, if I can get it here, give me 1 second. Here we go. Let me just pull that up here. Oh, sorry, I'm a bit tricky on to do this on the phone. It's a lot easier on the No, go back here. Sorry, hang on. I want to show you guys the profit here, right? Can't do this on the phone. Sorry, guys. Let me just pull it up here. No, let me try it again. This is very difficult, guys. Anyway, I can't get it to work, guys. Not sure why. Let me try it again. No, I can't really get it to work. Anyway, so it's around about the 15 to 16% mark that it is gone up, guys. And then apologies about doing this on the phone. It is very annoying. Can't get it really right on the phone. I don't know why. It's a lot easier. Anyway, basically, it's been incredible. It's working very nicely, buy and sell signals. Now, what I'm doing is applying this to Coinspot. Yes, I know the fees are crazy and they're really high at the moment, but it's actually been really good. And you can buy and sell on Coinspot or any exchange that you're using at the moment. So you don't necessarily need to pay for a bot, just putting it out there. So again, you can use these indicators. Now, you set up an alert on TradingView, so you will get an alert to buy or sell through the application itself. You will get an email, and obviously if you're on desktop, you'll get a notification as well. So I've set up on the, I'm using this on the hourly chart, by the way. You can use it on the 4-hour chart or the daily. Obviously, this is the 4-hour chart right now, which has been incredible. It hasn't given me a sell signal, or the daily as well. And I'll bring that up here. It has been an incredible ride up on the day. Check that out. Unbelievable. And you confirm it, obviously, looking at the yellow indicator line right there. So just keep that in mind. So again, I'm going to let this play out and let it sit and see what it does obviously in the next couple of hours on the hourly. But it's been incredible so far. And I mean, there's been a, look at this rise right here if I bring this up. This was a couple of days ago, actually a day ago. So you can see that incredible rise right there. So had you have done that, that was, you can see it right there. There's about a 30% return on your money. So again, I'm just doing this on Coinspot just to play around with it. Be careful, do your own research. But again, that's how you set up this indicator. Pretty incredible stuff, guys, and it's been very accurate so far. So we'll see how this goes. Let's have a look at Twitter right now because there's a lot happening on there. This is a very interesting interview with David Schwartz. Have a listen to this and what Ripple can actually do. And it is being suppressed right now. Have a listen.
With every other financial institution in seconds for less than a penny, any asset that's fundamentally transformative. We have the technology to do it. Now we just need to figure out how to drive the adoption. And of course, there's all the challenges with there's incumbents, there's regulation, there's inertia. You know, there's the big players who are really trying to defend. You know, if you're one of the largest banks in the world, you want to push pause or stop on technology. Because you're in the lead. So of course, like you say you love technology, but obviously you wish you could stop it. So all those challenges.
And if you mentioned Jamie Dimon.
So it's pretty straightforward, man. Like Ripple was built to transact any asset on the planet, which is incredible at a fraction of a cent. Just putting it out there, you could do anything. Finance, banking, stocks, whatever it may be, any asset. So this is the point. Ripple is going to be an absolute game changer. So you've got incredible here. Ripple donated $500,000 in XRP to the Kiev school. That is incredible. Unbelievable right there. Attending South by Southwest. I mean, if you were there, let me know in the comments. I would love to go there, but pretty hard for us to get over there at the moment. What else we got here? The software company Consensus doubles its value after successful $450 million funding round. Proceeds will be invested into Ethereum, earning yields and supporting MetaMask's expansion. Very interesting stuff, guys. And Judge Netburn, don't you realize yet that the game is being played with you here? A whole year ago, the SEC already argued that the documents are not relevant. You ruled 3 times that they are relevant. And then the SEC tried to use DPP as an excuse. You ruled that this does not. Obviously, guys, they've got some serious information and they do not want to release. You've got the Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz predicts Bitcoin will reach $500,000 in the coming years. I agree. I think so. I think it's very possible. So what's scary is not one politician has stepped up and said anything regarding the SEC versus Ripple case. And I'm not going to say that there, but I mean, that's true. So why are they hindering it and why are they stopping it? Because it is going to be an absolute game changer. When you're a big bank and financial institution, you do not want to be taken off the throne. They want the money. That's what's happening right now. This is really cool, guys. I don't want to play because probably get banned on YouTube for this, but go and have a look at this. The Defenders. You've got David Schwartz, Garlinghouse, Johnny Deaton, Jeremy Hogan there, and Chris Larson. Pretty cool, guys. I mean, that's awesome. That's really cool. The entire global economy will feel the economic ripple effects of war in Ukraine with slower growth and faster inflation. The reverse of what we want to see. This is really interesting, guys. And again, I think, we're only just getting started with inflation. I think everything's just going to keep going up. Fuel prices are crazy. You've got a Democratic SEC Commissioner Lee to leave the agency after term ends in June. Everybody is leaving the SEC. Apparently, they were all Trump administration SEC employees. So again, it's going to be interesting, guys, what happens there. Breaking $3 million in DAI and Ethereum have been stolen from Deus Finance. That's a lot of money. And yet the SEC went after Library and Ripple. So again, Consensus is proud to announce $450 million in funding round to further continue its objectives. That's from Joseph Lubin. That's the mentioned before. That's really interesting. Joe Biden just pumped another $1.5 trillion into the inflation cocktail. Yes, I agree. NFTs, Instagram is going to be integrating them into Instagram. So it's going to be interesting. will reach a target. XRP will reach a target of $10,000 per coin long before 2025. Let me know in the comments if you think that's possible. The market cap would be ridiculous. But again, nothing is impossible. Whale alert, 100 million XRP, 77 million US dollars transferred from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. Unbelievable. Now, this is interesting as well. Ripple and the individual defendants request an extension of time until March 22nd, 2022 to respond to the SEC's letter claiming that District Judge Torres' ruling makes the Hinman emails and Estabrook notes irrelevant. So again, they're responding to that. Let's see what happens there. Ripple appears on the brink of significant price movement. I agree. Jed McCaleb. So just under 4 months left until Jeb is done selling his XRP. Could this be tying in with the November settlement here? Very interesting, guys. He is selling his XRP. Let's have a look what's remaining. 471 million XRP. And again, he's been moving them every single day. Straight up. Look at that, guys. The last one's the 15th, which was yesterday. 3.8 million XRP. That is a lot of money. Just putting it out there. Incredible. What else we got here, guys? That's pretty much it. PayPal CEO crypto will redefine the financial world. Yes, we are very early in this space. US Senate bill to make Bitcoin purchases less than $600 tax-free. That's going to be a very nice incentive for crypto investing. The future of Bitcoin mining is sustainable, clean energy, period. There you go. Now, that's pretty much it in terms of the news and updates and my trading view. Top coins at the moment are Terra, Zcash as well. I will look into that. Monero, Veracity, Mises token, Mirror Protocol, Joule, Chainlink, Arweave, Secret token as well. And Ecomi's up, almost up in the top 10 again. Really nice, guys. So keep an eye on Ecomi. Now, obviously, let's go into CoinMarketCap to check the total market cap. 1.7 trillion, $88 billion in volume. Up today in the greens, 42% BTC, 18% Ethereum. I'd love to see that get flipped by XRP, which I think it would happen very soon. The graph, waves, Elrond, basic attention token, Convex Finance are all pumping right now. And just in general, guys, I'm not going to go through my whole portfolio because the video will go for too long. Bitcoin sitting at 39,000. It is up today, which is really nice, 0.9%. Just give it a few more days. I think we'll see some above 40K again. Really nice. And again, XRP's at 76 cents right now. Very good buying opportunities. And this is my entire portfolio. And again, my favorites, obviously, XDC. Still incredible buying opportunities because I like to see those multiples. That's pretty much it for the news. I will keep everyone posted with how my trading indicator goes. And I will try to attempt to draw the measure on this again because it's quite difficult to do this on the phone. I'm going to have another crack at it. Let's try this now. No, it doesn't want to do it. Sorry, guys. I don't even know what I'm doing here with this. It doesn't want to move. No, forget it. Can't do it. I have to do it on a desktop. But anyway, really good, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be trying using that indicator, all right? Stay safe. Peace. Bye.